Wandering you reacts quickly to changes in water, light, and soil conditions. That's why yellow leaves are one of the first warning signs. But every yellow leaf has a reason behind it. Once you understand the cause, fixing it becomes much easier. The first and the most common cause is keeping the soil constantly wet. If your leaves are turning yellow and feel soft or slightly mushy, the problem is usually too much water. When soil stays wet for too long, roots don't get enough oxygen. This leads to root rot and the plant cannot absorb nutrients properly. That's why the leaves lose their color. How to check? Soil feels wet even after days. Pot feels heavy. Roots may smell bad. And the fix? First remove the yellow or dead leaves, then check if the soil is draining well or not. And if not, then repot in fresh draining soil. Make sure it's placed correctly so that it can receive bright light that helps the soil to dry out properly. Always let the soil dry out more than 25%. You can wait for 50% if your plants are struggling with overwashing. Keeping them on drier side is best. Lack of water. If the leaves are yellow but also dry and crispy at the edges and you have been watering less frequently, your plant might be too dry. Wandering you prefers slightly moist soil, not bone dry. When the plant lacks water, it starts shedding leaves to conserve energy. And the fix? If it's underwatered, try bottom watering by putting the plant pot into another pot or bucket so it gets saturation evenly. Water when the top 25 to 50% soil feels dry. Don't let it stay dry for too long. Low light. If your plant looks faded, stretched, and yellowish, it may not be getting enough light. Light is essential for photosynthesis, the process that keeps leaves green. Without enough light, chlorophyll breaks down and leaves turn yellow. And the fix? Move it closer to the window for bright indirect light. You can also place it where it can receive morning light for few hours and then indirect light or shade for whole day. Supplement with grow light if window light is not enough and avoid dark corners. Nutrient deficiency. If older leaves are turning yellow first, it could be a lack of nutrients, especially nitrogen. Nitrogen is essential for leaf growth and color. When it's missing, the plant pulls nutrients from older leaves. And the fix? Feed with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 3 to 4 weeks. Repot if it's in the same pot for years. Natural aging. Sometimes it's not a problem at all. If only a few older leaves at the bottom are turning yellow, it's just the plant naturally shedding old growth. No need to worry. Final thought, in most cases, it comes down to two things: light and watering. Low light combined with excess moisture can quickly damage the plant. You can water more frequently only when the plant is receiving enough light. So getting the placement right makes all the difference. When light and watering are in balance, the plant takes care of the rest. Hope you liked the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplant care videos.